When scientists are stumped, who picks up the slack? Today, on Thought Cafe Today, we're talking about gaming as a means of solving modern medicine's most difficult puzzles. Citizen science, or crowdsourced science, allows amateurs and non-professional scientists to participate and contribute research towards a scientific goal. Think of it a little bit like Kickstarter, but instead of contributing $1 or $50, one contributes data, helps with classifications, or solves physics problems, for example. In the end, these single contributions are put together with potentially incredible results. Citizen science is nothing new. Before the internet and university-based research system, amateur scientists created networks with each other as early as the 17th century, which allowed them to achieve scientific breakthroughs. Historically, ornithology, or the study of birds, is one of the most powerful examples of citizen science. For example, 200,000 people contribute to the database of the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. According to the lab, birdwatchers photograph and track the birds in their area, which allow them to, quote, tap into millions of records to see how their own sightings fit into the continental picture. Scientists analyze the data to reveal striking changes in the movements, distributions, and numbers of birds through time. In the last 15 years, the internet has offered a whole new platform to the world of crowdsourced science, thanks to its widespread reach. Take Clickworkers, an experiment launched by NASA in late 2000. This project asked participants to spend a couple minutes carrying out some simple analysis in order to create an age map of the planet Mars, specifically by looking at its craters. The original pilot project, which ran for a year, served to answer the question of whether or not crowdsourced science could be as precise as that undertaken by a team of seasoned scientists. The answer was yes! Take a look at these two maps, one created by a group of scientists and the other by the collaborative power of 101,000 clickworkers. Uncanny! The success of clickworkers is rooted in the idea that imposing scientific endeavors like this on a small team of scientists and students would inevitably have taken much longer. However, Clickworkers participants could spend as little or as much time as they wanted on the site, building on each other's progress. Another great example of crowdsourced science is Foldit, this time with a gamified twist. Developed by researchers at the University of Washington, along with a team of game designers in 2011. Foldit asks that players compete with each other to fold protein structures and to predict their shape. According to the Huffington Post, within 3 weeks, players had, quote, modeled the enzyme mason-phizer monkey virus retroviral protease in a manner that matched crystalline structures observed by scientists. This was a major success, particularly because this structure had confounded scientists for 15 years. We're talking 3 weeks, 15 years. That's crazy. There are tons of amazing games like Foldit out there. So do some research and see if you can help too. So I want to know, what do you think? Will crowdsourcing the public community and leveraging skills of non-scientists be a big part of solving some of our biggest scientific conundrums? Let's discuss in the comments below. I'm Tyler, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more awesome content, and I will see you soon.